Union Minister Amit Shah is in Kolkata today. Earlier he was making an address. Okay, let's listen in to what Tamal Saha is reporting on from the ground at the moment. Let's listen.
An update on Minister Zakir Hussain. There you heard, we are tossing it to her, and yes, Mamata Banerjee is about to speak. Zakir is still inside the operation theatre. I have spoken to him before he was taken inside the operation theatre. Firad Hakim was here. I have spoken to him over phone. The operation is still on. Another 10 people have been brought here. Some of them have lost their limbs. Some have also bruises on his faces. Another 4 people are being brought. Another 12 people are there in Murshidabad. 6 people have been discharged. Total 26 people have sustained injuries. This is a shocking incident. One person was about to catch a train. He was like a common public. He has booked a train ticket. He was about to catch a train. The railways must have the information that ministry was about to board a train. The person who was there with Zakir Hussain, and they were telling me, which is still subject to investigation, the blast had happened over remote. As Zakir Hussain was walking on the platform towards the train, this explosion was done through remote. I will not talk about the investigation, give details about the investigation. What I'm hearing from the local people, what I'm getting to know, it seems like it was a planned attack. When it happened on the railway platform, there were no railway police officials present. The area was completely dark. The circumstantial evidences indicate it is not, even though it's a law and order matter, it is not a safe subject. It is basically the responsibility of the railways because it happened on the railways property. I don't understand why railways is taking it so.
परमानंद जी ने बिताया वो स्थान पर आने का सौभाग्य मुझे मिला है। युगाचार्य परमानंद जी ने उस समय स्वधर्म और स्वराज की कल्पना को बुलंद किया जब देश को इसकी सबसे ज्यादा जरूरत थी, और जब विभाजन हुआ तब भी ये हिस्सा भारत के साथ जुड़ा रहे। इसमें प्रणवानंद जी की प्रेरणा ने श्यामा प्रसाद मुखर्जी को प्रेरित किया और अंत में इसमें हम सफल भी हुए। भारत सेवाश्रम संघ के माध्यम से युवाओं में राष्ट्रभक्ति, धार्मिक चेतना, आत्मबल, सेवा, समर्पण और त्याग के गुणों का विकास हो, इसके लिए उन्होंने जो देश भर में अभियान चलाने की शुरुआत की, आज लगभग 105 साल के बाद जो बीज प्रणवानंद जी ने बोया था वो एक वटवृक्ष बनकर हमारे सामने खड़ा है। भारत सेवाश्रम संघ के सन्यासियों ने देश भर में कहीं पर भी विपदा आई हो, अपनी सेवा के माध्यम से जाति, धर्म सबसे ऊपर उठकर सेवा का एक उत्कृष्ट उदाहरण पेश किया है। आज भी युवाओं के मन में राष्ट्रभक्ति और देश के लिए जीने का संकल्प कराने का काम भारत सेवाश्रम संघ करता है। और मैं इतना भी कह सकता हूं, बड़े विश्वास से कह सकता हूं कि क्योंकि भारत सेवाश्रम संघ से मेरा भी घनिष्ठ रिश्ता रहा है। अहमदाबाद में स्वामी गणेशानंद जी के साथ मेरा बहुत संपर्क भी रहा, उनका मुझ पर बहुत गहरा असर भी है। मैं इतना ही कहना चाहता हूं कि सन्यासी कैसा होता है, इसकी व्याख्या अगर समझनी है तो भारत सेवाश्रम संघ के सन्यासियों को बड़े ध्यान के साथ समझना चाहिए, इनका संपर्क रखना चाहिए। और ये संस्था जो है ये कई सालों तक, दशकों तक इसी तरह माँ भारती की सेवा करती रहे, ऐसी मैं ईश्वर प्रार्थना करता हूँ। और आज
দেখে এবং এর ভয়াবহতা দেখে আমি নিজে শিউরে উঠছি। এই ধরনের জিনিস আমি দেখেছিলাম যে বিয়ান সিং যখন মারা গিয়েছিলেন বা বিকটার সময় যখন এক্সপ্লোশন হয়েছিল সেরকম এই টাইপের কিছু একটা এগুলোকে ফিট করেছে এবং যারা ফিট করেছে জেনে শুনেই করেছে। বাট যেই হোক আমি মনে করি পুলিশের অ্যাকশন নেওয়া উচিত এবং এক্ষেত্রে কেউ যদি সাপ্রেস করারও চেষ্টা করে উই উইল নট অ্যালাউ দ্যাট।
কোথাও মনে হচ্ছে দল পরিবর্তন করেনি বলে হামলা, কোথাও
দেখো রেল মিনিস্টার এটুকু বলে দিল খালাস হয়ে গেল, আর আমার একটা মিনিস্টার সহ আমার 26 জন সাধারণ মানুষ তারা আজকে মৃত্যুর দিকে লড়াই করছে। রেল মিনিস্টার কি জানে তাদের হাত উড়ে গেছে, তাদের পা উড়ে গেছে, তাদের মুখ ঝলসে গেছে, তাদের কি অবস্থা একবার ভেবে দেখেছে? তার স্টেশনে কি হচ্ছিল? এটা পুরোপুরি তাদের দায়িত্ব, টোটাল সেন্ট্রাল গভর্নমেন্টের দায়িত্ব।
দিদি কোথাও মনে হচ্ছে, দিদি কোথাও মনে হচ্ছে
নেতা মন্ত্রী ব্যাপার নয়, এটা তো এই যে আমার সাধারণ মানুষের সাথে নেতাও মার খেয়েছে, নেতার জীবনও আজকে সংকটের মধ্যে গেছে। জাকির খুব পপুলার লিডার,
Zakir is a very popular leader. It's a game.
দিদি কোথাও মনে হচ্ছে দল পরিবর্তন করেনি বলে হামলা।
Nature of explosive I cannot say. This is absolute the matter of investigation. Let the STF, CID and the CIA, they will let them investigate and they will.
Ma'am, has Railway expressed any desire to probe the matter? Are they picking up the probe? Have they?
They have already started. CID is already on the spot.
Ma'am, are they showing?
Railway, I do not know. They have not said anything. They didn't cooperate. They didn't contacted with us.
দিদি কোথাও মনে হচ্ছে দল পরিবর্তন করেনি বলে হামলা।
टारगेट तो कर रहे हैं, टारगेट नहीं करने से लोकतंत्र में लड़ना जरूरी है। लोकतंत्र में टारगेट करके मर्डर क्यों करेगा? और करने का जरूरत क्या है? ये हुलिगानिज्म होता है, ये पॉलिटिक्स नहीं होता है। सॉरी, इट इज अ कॉन्स्पिरेसी।
So there you heard Chief Minister of West Bengal Mamata Banerjee came and met the injured people and also met the injured minister, and she has lamented the fact that the way the railway ministry. You have seen everyone, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, could they say anything? Okay, so the Chief Minister said that she has met everyone. She also gave us a rough idea about 26 people have sustained injuries. She also gave us very graphic explanation as many people have lost their limbs and also have sustained grievous injuries. In fact, Mamata Banerjee is trying to be here. She would be sitting down here at the hospital for some time, would try and get a brief from the minister before she leaves. But then it's very important the fact that she has lamented that the railway ministry cannot absolve its responsibility after issuing one tweet referring to one tweet of Piyush Goyal, the Union Railway Minister, that came yesterday. She is saying that railways should cooperate, railways should investigate, railways hasn't contacted as yet. She calls it a conspiracy and a pure game plan, a planned game plan to eliminate Zakir, and she has also hinted out that Zakir was put under pressure to join a political party. She did not specify which political party, but then given the fact there had been a current spate in defection, she is possibly indicating or suggesting or insinuating that Zakir too was under pressure to leave Trinamool Congress, and that this attack on him could be a fallout of that very conspiracy.
You were listening to my colleague Tamal Saha, Times Network correspondent, reporting from Kolkata. Prior to that, you were just listening to Mamata Banerjee speaking about the injured minister Zakir Hussain. What she happens to, in fact, reveal is that at the moment, Railways is not taking any responsibility. It is the responsibility of the central government, is what Mamata Banerjee says. Zakir is a very popular leader, and therefore she says that CID has been now deployed to investigate into this case. Railway officials have not contacted us, she says. Also makes it clear that that she thinks this is hooliganism and not politics. There is a conspiracy behind this. Mamata Banerjee speaking about the crude bomb attack on a minister in her government, Zakir Hussain, who got injured in that incident where a crude bomb was hurled at him and his team while they were trying to board a train in Murshidabad to Kolkata. So at the moment, the Chief Minister has visited the TMC minister in the hospital in Murshidabad. Following that, she made a statement to the press. She said she met the leader and she found that 10 other people were brought there, 10 others injured in Murshidabad along with the minister.